Empty tomb cinnamon rolls, just in time for Easter. You've got to try these. These things are awesome. Let's get started. First, I've got a bowl with a half a cup of sugar. I have 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. I have 6 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to set that off to the side for the moment. I'm going to add the cinnamon to the sugar. Get that mixed up. Going to set that to the side. We're going to be using 2 packages, 12-ounce packages of crescent rolls. Carefully unroll the dough. I'm going to use a pizza cutter to separate the serrated edges. And I have 16 marshmallows. Now, before you do anything else, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. I have pre-greased a cupcake pan. Now, I've got more than what this muffin pan is gonna hold, so I'm just gonna put the balance of what is left onto a regular baking sheet. We start out with marshmallows, which is representing the body of Christ. Going to be dipping the marshmallows in the butter, just like Christ, after he came off the cross, was anointed in oil. It's followed by being coated in the aromatic spices of the sugar and cinnamon. Placed into the tomb. Make sure you pinch the edges. Half of this gets dipped into the butter, back into the spices. That goes into our muffin tin. We repeat this until all 16 are done. Here's our last one. By the last one, you've really got it down. Make sure everything's sealed up, coated, ready for the oven. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll see how they come out. Okay, I just saved a step, and instead of making my own frosting, I just bought some pre-made cream cheese frosting. So, how'd they turn out? Here's one from the sheet. Hollow inside. And here's one from the muffin pan. But basically also hollow. How do they taste? Outstanding. You gotta try this. You gotta get you some. See you next time. And happy Easter.